Hey guys, so today I'm going to be taking you through my collagen protein pancakes. Now they are yummy, super delicious and packed full of flavor. But first, I'm going to take you through the ingredients. So I'm going to start off with the collagen peptides. So these are great for your joints, your hair, your nails and your skin. Now as we age, our collagen production does decrease. You can pick these up from any supplement store, while I get mine from Women's Best. I'll put my link down below in the description box. Okay, so we're going to move on to coconut milk. Now while this is not 100% coconut milk, it is mixed in also with some rice milk and some added calcium and other vitamins. But I really like the consistency and the taste of this. You can change it or switch it out with soya milk, rice milk or almond milk, whatever takes your fancy. Okay, so next up we have whole oats. Now these are awesome for giving you a massive boost of energy that is slowly distributed throughout the day. I like to meal mine to make my flour. All right, next up we have cinnamon. Now cinnamon I love, firstly because of the flavor, but it's also high in antioxidants and can help you reduce your insulin sensitivity. So next up we have flax seeds. Now these are rich in nutrients. They're high in omega-3s and great for digestive health. Moving on, we are going to blueberries. Now these are my absolute favorite fruit. They are high in antioxidants. They taste yummy, but they're also great for removing toxins out of your system. And we have an egg for our next ingredient. You know, these are high in fats, but also in proteins, which are great, but it also helps with the consistency of the mixture. This is optional as well, so you don't actually have to have an egg in the mix, okay? Then we're going to add some baking powder, and then for flavor we are going to be adding some vanilla drops. So that is the ingredients, guys. Let's get cooking. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right. Okay guys, so once you've made your flour, just check the consistency, it's good. Just set it aside because we're going to add it gradually to the mix later. Okay guys, so I like to mix the cinnamon in with the egg first because I find it brings out the cinnamon flavor more. Oh, it smells so good, guys. So I like to add my ingredients bit by bit, but you can actually add it all together and mix it all at once. So the final ingredient is the collagen peptides. Now these are great because they are unflavored and they are also able to maintain their nutrition value even when heated. I almost forgot to add the blueberries, but this is officially the last ingredient in the pancake. Okay guys, so make sure to preheat your pan, make sure it's nice and hot before you start cooking your pancakes. Okay guys, so the pancakes are now finished. They smell glorious. I'm just gonna add a dollop of yogurt to each Mike's and my plate. And I can see Mike, I was gonna say his eyes are watering. He looks hungry. Okay, and voila, we are done.
So, for the moment of truth. Looks delicious, but does it taste nice? Let's see. Maple syrup. Maple syrup.
You want maple syrup?
Please, maple syrup.
Okay, so maple syrup is optional as well. We've added the bananas for sweetness, but Mike has a major sweet tooth today, so I'm gonna get this.
Alright, so you're gonna cut the pancake, spread a little bit of yogurt on top.
You didn't wait for the maple syrup.
Well, this is the slice without maple syrup, so let's see.
The true taste test.
Good. Guys.
Just good. What?
It's delicious, it's delicious. It's actually really nice. I don't know if I need the maple syrup now. So, guys, what I'm getting is a very hearty, oaty taste. I can taste the cinnamon, it's coming through, the vanilla drops, I can feel that flavour hitting my tongue, and I don't know if you can see this, you probably can't, but as you bite into the blueberry, there's bursts of flavour that just explode in the mouth, which is absolutely brilliant. But you just got to eat all of this together. It's just really, you've done really, really good. This is delicious.
I don't know why he's so surprised.
I'm super surprised. She can cook, I'm not going to lie to you. Super surprised. Loving this delicious pancake. I give it a 5 out of 5. You've got to try the recipe. Let us know how it goes. I want that maple syrup as well.
You try it with it.
Thank you.
If you don't have a sweet tooth, it really doesn't need it.
This is tasty.
It actually doesn't need it anyway, even if you have a sweet tooth. That's good.
Right, I know you guys don't want to see me eating this food, so what I am going to say is give this video a big thumbs up, especially for Mrs. Muscle and her beautiful collagen protein pancakes. If you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you haven't let your friends know about our channel, let them know. We're about to make a whole bunch of exciting content and cannot wait to share it with you.
Yes.
But until next time, peace.
Bon appetit!